What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no notification sound issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all check all sound settings. So if your phone is on silent mode or mute mode, then change it to the sound mode, and after that if you have enabled the power saving mode, then disable it, and after doing this the notifications will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then if you have enabled do not disturb, then turn it off. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on notifications, and then click on do not disturb. So if you have enabled do not disturb button, then tap on it to disable, and after turning off do not disturb, the notifications will start working properly. But after that, if you are still facing the same issue, then the next solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset accessibility settings, and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and here again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all of your mobile accessibility settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So if you're sure, then tap on reset. So after that the notifications will definitely start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.